How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your printer to Bambu Studio. Now, first things first, you just want to navigate through your project, and basically from here, navigate through printer. Select the create printer option by scrolling down at the bottom of the drop-down menu. And then from here, you have the ability to select your printer model. So in my case, we are going to be using the Creality Ender 4. Customize your nozzle diameter, printable space, origin, and more. Right after, click on OK. And then basically you just have to import your preset. In my case, I'm going to be using the Anycubic once again. I'm going to be I'm using the Creality. Let's select the Ender 4 printer. And basically from there, I'm going to import the filament preset for the generic ABS template, and same thing with the process preset template. Click on create, and there we have it. So as you can see, I have my connection right here. You can also navigate through your device, and then basically right after that, just click on the connection button, and then you have to enter out the printer options or the printer connection right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.